Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to cancel your Instacart subscription and potentially snag a refund in 2025. With rising costs and changing needs, it's smart to manage your subscriptions, and we'll walk you through it step by step to make it easy and stress-free. First off, log into your Instacart account using the app or website. Once you're in, head to your profile icon, usually in the top corner, and select Account Settings. This is where all your personal info and subscriptions are managed. Next, scroll down to the Subscriptions or Membership section. You'll see your Instacart Express plan or whichever one you're subscribed to. Click on it to view details. Here, look for the Manage Subscription or Cancel button. It's often highlighted for quick access. When you hit Cancel, Instacart might prompt you for feedback, like why you're leaving. Be honest. This could influence any refund possibilities. Confirm the cancellation, and you'll get a confirmation email shortly. Now, for the refund part. Not every cancellation qualifies, but if you're within the first few days of subscribing or haven't used many benefits, you stand a chance. Head to the Help or Support section in the app. Submit a request explaining your situation. Mention any unused services or billing errors. Be polite and provide details like your subscription start date. Instacart's team will review your case, so give it a few business days for a response. Remember, refund policies can vary, so always double-check the latest terms on their website to avoid surprises. There you have it, you're all set. Canceling and getting a refund doesn't have to be complicated. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.